fair, I made the blade for stabbing. That's why it has a false edge here and a point. That works kind of pretty good actually. And obviously the stick part we use as a club. As unstable as this looks, I think it'll work. I said heck, I swear. Yeah. I don't know if that got on camera. Obviously the thing was pretty destroyed, considering there's water everywhere now, but I'll see if I can kick the tripod again. So, I don't know, performed as good as, I don't even know. I don't know what to be compared to. I guess a knife and a club. The knife, it's obviously not that sharp, which is something I ran into trouble with because I made another knife out of this same blade and I was able to get it a lot sharper, so I might just have to reprofile the whole thing because I think that might have something to do with it. I think the stain I put on here is pretty nice. It's red walnut, I think. It had a little latch here. It's just made out of some 20 gauge steel. It holds it pretty well. I am going to put one piece of steel right here because it does shift back and forth a bit. And this is just cover up a mistake I made. So the next video, it's going to be the gauntlet.